Hey everyone, if you ordered a Cash App card but it's taking forever to arrive, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do if your Cash App hasn't showed up yet. Let's get into it. Step 1 is to wait at least 10 business days. Cash App says it can take 7 to 10 business days for your card to arrive. Weekends and holidays don't count. 2 is check your delivery address. Open Cash App, tap on profile icon and go to your support. Tap something else and choose Cash Card and select Card Not Received. Make sure your mailing address is correct. Third is look for tracking or shipping status. Cash App does not provide tracking, but they may confirm shipping. If it's over been 10 business days, just simply contact your support. 4 is contact Cash App support. Go to the Cash App profile and support and start a chat, or just simply visit their official website. Fifth is order a replacement card if needed. If the card is lost or never arrives, you can reorder. Just simply tap Cash Card tab and get free Cash Card, or request a replacement under the card settings. And that's it. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.